Welcome back to Instables again as we lead into tomorrow's CPI report as we jump back above our 8-day yesterday, looking for that possible continuation. As you guys can see now, continuing to respect our 8-day after jumping back above our 8-day yesterday. Now looking to see if we can continue on above resistance here that we got rejected from for the last couple times. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue, and if we did happen to get any bearish case scenario here, which we had no reason to think would happen as our 8-day has been holding above our 21 here still. Looking to see if this does continue. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers at very key levels, again, like we mentioned here with ELOX, mentioning pre-market high at 598 here, looking to see if we can continue on past our pre-market high. We did continue on past 598, continued on all the way to $9.98 on the day. One of many major movers that we've mentioned throughout the week. Again, go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. Let's jump into this one. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here again, looking at our daily candle structure so we can anticipate what we're looking for going into tomorrow. Although anticipating our candle structure going into tomorrow will depend on exactly what CPI comes out as tomorrow. 1 hour before market open, again, as yesterday we did close above our 8-day, mentioning that we are cautious to the downside, looking for a possible continuation. Sure enough, continued leading into CPI. Any dip that we had today, in my opinion, was a buy the dip opportunity because we did have that momentum jumping back above our 8-day for that possible continuation leading into CPI. Now we are in assumption that we could possibly continue on with decreases in CPI here. However, if we do not continue on with decreases in CPI, what will happen possibly here is that we do get a false break to the upside, an engulfing candle to the downside at resistance. So going into tomorrow, the key will be when we do have this spike that we do not rush into a possible continuation here. We want to get that retest here, in my opinion, to make sure that we do get that proof of concept here to continue on higher. This will be the play if we are looking for that continuation after CPI. This is the watch. Again, as we bounce off of our 8-day, very much in a very bullish situation here. If we happen to get any bearish case scenario, it will be because our 12 continued on below our 26. Again, we have not crossed back higher, so we do not have that confirmation that we will continue on into higher highs. So again, watching our 12 and our 26 on our MACD will be key. Again, as we still have our 12 below our 26, this will be our bearish case scenario if we happen to have a bad CPI come out tomorrow. Although we do have this decrease in sell pressure now, looking for that possible bullish case scenario. So that is what the market is setting up for, is what CPI will come out as tomorrow. But again, very much looking for that proof of concept if we do have that decrease in CPI. And now as we sit within consolidation after a major gap up a couple weeks ago on our weekly chart here, looking to see if we can continue to get that proof of concept off of our 8 weekly moving average. Again, no surprise, even if we had a pullback here, we would simply just look to see if we can continue on with possible proof of concepts above our 8 weekly moving average, and looking to see if we do happen to continue on to respect our 21 weekly moving average if we happen to pull back here. So again, that's what we're looking for possible support sitting within consolidation after a major spike, looking to see if we can continue on with possible strength off of support to get those larger reaction moves. On our daily chart, this is what we're watching out for overall. But again, on our daily chart currently, respecting our 8-day on point here with our wick exactly testing. We'll see if we do continue on above our 444 level for that possible overextension to our 448, 450 level again from our prior body candle that we had before our prior gap down that we would be gapping into. So we'll see if we do get that possible test 448 here, 450 at the upper end of our wick here. This is our watch here. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers, again, like we mentioned here with ELOX, mentioning that we clearly should be watching ELOX in the Instables room today, actually, is one of the most clearest breakouts that we've had, in my opinion. 598 pre-market high. I put probably, let's not talk about how many rockets I put next to it, but I definitely thought this was pretty confirmational here with jumping above our pre-market high, continuing to respect our 5-day moving average. So again, a nice continuation here and a very nice spike and continuation on above psychological levels, $7, $8, $9, all the way up just under our $10 psychological resistance stat, we couldn't continue on past. So again, a nice continuation exactly to our strongest psychological level that we would have been looking for. Again, go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. And again, all of you Instables, I appreciate every one of you guys, as always, for supporting the channel. We will continue to go at it, take what the market gives us, an amazing run that we had here with EOLOX. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.